Welcome students. In this video, I am going to discuss the graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables. We know that a line divides the Cartesian plane in two parts and each part is known as the half plane. Just look here. Here I have drawn the coordinate system. This is x-axis and this is going to be y-axis. This is your origin. Now to the right of origin, x is positive. Here x is negative. Above the origin, y positive and here y negative. This is x, x dash, y, y dash. Now you know that this is divided into four quadrants. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, both x and y are positive. In second quadrant, x negative, y positive. In third quadrant, both x and y are negative. And in fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. Now just look here. This vertical line is dividing the Cartesian plane in two parts. Each part is known as half plane. The portion which is on the left hand side of this line is known as left half plane, and the portion which is on the right hand side of this vertical line is known as right half plane. Now just look here, this is a non-vertical line. Again, this is dividing the Cartesian plane in two half planes. The portion which is above this line is known as upper half plane and the portion which is below this line is known as the lower half plane. I think this is clear to all of you. Now we have done the plotting of line in the 10th standard. For plotting of line we need 2 points, right? And just look here, the first question from your exercise. Solve the following inequalities in two-dimensional plane. First look here, we have to plot the inequality x plus y less than 5. Now for plotting a line we need 2 points. First I have written here plot x plus y equal to 5. We are going to take the simplest point. I take x 0, so y will be 5, and if the y is 0, x is also going to 5. Just look here, this is your origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again for y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are going to take the same scale on both axes. If you look here, I have drawn the dotted line here. The dotted line shows the x plus y equal to 5 is not included, because we just have to draw the inequality x plus y less than 5. Means that either the portion above this line or the portion below the line is included. Right? So if this is strict inequality, we are going to plot dotted line, and there is a slack inequality like less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. We are going to plot the dark line. So I have plotted the line. Now you need to check the region of this inequality, for which we are going to take some testing point. You can take either the testing point above this line or the below the line, right? If the point above this line are going to satisfy this inequality, like if you take above this line, this here x is 5, y is 4. If you take 5, 4, if this inequality 5 plus 4 less than 5, that means 9 less than 5, this is not satisfying the inequality, so your region will be below the line. But in all question we are just going to take origin, because origin it's very simple to do calculation. So I have taken 0, 0 as the testing point, and we check if the origin is satisfying the condition, then the region will be towards the origin, and if origin is not satisfying the condition, region will be away from the origin. I am again repeating, the lines which are not passing through origin, for such lines we are going to take origin as testing point. If origin is satisfying the condition, then the region will be towards the origin, and if origin is not satisfying the condition, region will be away from the origin. So just look here, I have taken origin 0, 0 as the testing point. So 0 plus 0 less than 5, 0 less than 5, true? So that means your region will be towards the origin. So now this is going to be your shaded region. Either you can do like this, or you can also shade this complete portion. So this is your answer, right? Next question from the exercise 6.2 is, now solve this inequality graphically. So first we'll plot the line 2x plus y equal to 6. For plotting a line, we need 2 points. So I have taken x0, y will be 6. If y0, x is 3. Just look here, x0, y 6, right? y0, x is 3. If you look here, I have drawn a dark line here because this is a slack inequality. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6 means this line plus one region, either upper the line or below the line, will be included. So we are going to take origin as the testing point. So if you put x plus y, x and y both equal to 0. So here 0 is greater than or equal to 6, 0 is greater than or equal to 6. True or false? This is false. And if it is false, region will be away from the origin. This is origin direction, so away from origin. That means your shaded region is in this direction.